What if I told you a single image and one free website can make a Fern-style 3D VFX scene in minutes? No Blender, no rigging, just Nano Banana and Wan-ai. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I made this amazing Fern-like scene using Google Nano Banana to create the images and Wan-ai to turn them into video. Follow along. We'll generate images in a 3D rendered minimalist style, create multiple camera perspectives, then upload to Wan-ai's Wan 2.5 image to video tool. I'll show every prompt and setting, step by step. Link to Wan-ai is in the description. Use that to follow along. Make the base image in Google Nano Banana. Step 1. Generate your base image in Google Nano Banana. We want a 3D rendered minimal look. Faceless humanoid, smooth surfaces, simple lighting, Fern-style. Open Google Nano Banana and choose image generation. Use this sample prompt. Copy to Nano Banana. On-screen text shows the prompt. Generate. Nano Banana will return multiple variations. Pick the image that matches the composition you want. Front view. Download it. Tip. If you want different poses later, save a few close variations now. Create alternate perspectives using Nano Banana. Step 2. Create perspective variations from the same scene. We need front view, side view, and a corner view for smooth cuts. Upload the downloaded image back into Nano Banana. Use its image to image or edit feature. Prompt to change pose or angle. Keep same scene elements. Change camera angle to side profile. If an object is misplaced, repeat image to edit and use a corrective prompt like swap the window and bookshelves. Keep everything else the same. Be explicit. Mention positions, left or right behind, number of objects, and small adjustments like bring chair slightly away from desk so animations look natural. Prepare images for Wan-ai. Step 3. Prepare and export the images for Wan-ai. We'll use Wan 2.5's image video mode. Checklist on screen. Name them clearly. We'll use the front image as the starting frame, then animate to the corner, standing image as the end frame so the character gets up and walks to the window. Generate video in Wan-ai, Wan 2.5. Open wanai.co. Link in description. Click WAN 2.5. Choose image, video. Upload your starting image. In the prompt box, put a short descriptive action and camera instruction. Example prompt I used: man working in room, character stops writing and looks at window, camera slight zoom in, 3D rendered minimalist animation, smooth motion. Set duration, 10 seconds and resolution, 1080p. Important, 10 seconds is long enough for a single cinematic beat. Hit generate video. Wan-ai will process and return a clip. Save it. To animate a transition from sitting to standing, character walks to the window, smooth motion, camera, slight dolly to the right, 10 seconds, 1080p, generate. This 2-clip method gives a convincing walk and perspective change without complex keyframing. Text to video and digital human. Go to wanai.co and click text to video in the main menu. Inside the text box, write a simple scene like a man walking through a neon-lit street at night, cinematic mood, soft rain reflections, 3D animation style. Choose your duration. I'll keep it at 5 seconds. Set your resolution to 1080p. Click Generate Video. Wan-ai will convert your text into an animated cinematic shot. Use this when you want new scenes instead of image-based animations. Now, the digital human feature is crazy powerful. It can turn a single photo of a person into a realistic talking character with lip-synced audio, eye movement, facial motion, and natural expressions, all generated by AI. Explore tab is great for copying other creators' prompts. Go to Explore, pick a clip, copy its prompt, tweak, and generate. If you want all the exact prompts I used for every image, comment prompt below and I'll share the prompt. The WANAI link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more AI VFX tutorials, and I'll see you next time.